Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add products or item to cart on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon refers to the process of purchasing products through Amazon online marketplace and its physical stores like Amazon Go. It allows customers to browse, search, and buy a vast variety of items from book and electronic to groceries and clothing. Amazon Shopping also encompasses using the Amazon app for a mobile shopping experience and leveraging features like product scanning, tracking orders, and reading reviews. And in this video, I will show you how to add items or product to cart. It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Amazon, and then here you can search for the products that you want to add to your cart before you check out the items. Like for the example, I will search for headphone and you'll find like this. There's an option add to cart. You can just tap on that. You can enter the quantity to, or if you want to add the products from your home to your cart, you can just tap on the products and you'll find, you can just scroll down, there is an option add to cart. You can just tap on that, so the item will be added to your cart and you can see all the items on your cart in here. If there's an item that you no longer need, you want to remove from your cart, you can just tap on delete. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add items or product to your Amazon shopping cart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.